Silly cat. Why do you attack the rubber covering to the leg of the kitchen chair? You dream of catching mice, but you insist on fighting this inanimate object. Silly cat. It is your utmost desire to walk on tables and eat the plant. You imagine you're a leopard, but you get squirted every time you disobey. Silly cat. It is your incessant nature to claw the corners of walls and furniture. You feel the need to mark your territory, but your actions forewarn no one, and you get squirted again. Silly cat. Why do you inherently need and claw every area you wish to sleep in? You feel it is important by nature, but it is unnecessary because you are always welcome.